Introduction to Cold Turkey.
Cold Turkey is a powerful tool designed to help you stay productive by blocking distracting websites and applications. Whether you want to focus on work, study, or just take a digital break, Cold Turkey offers flexible options to control your online environment. Let's walk through the setup process and explore best practices for using this software effectively.
Downloading and installing Cold Turkey.
To get started, visit the official Cold Turkey website and download the installer compatible with your operating system. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open the app. You'll need to grant the permissions it requests, so it can monitor and block specific websites and apps on your device.
Setting up your first block.
After launching Cold Turkey, choose Blocks in the menu to begin creating your first block. Select which websites or apps you want to restrict. Common choices include social media, streaming platforms, or games. Set a schedule for when the block should be active, or enable it immediately. Cold Turkey allows you to customize block durations and repeat schedules to fit your routine.
Advanced features, locking and whitelisting.
Cold Turkey offers advanced features for even greater control. Locked blocks cannot be undone until they expire, making it harder to override your own rules. You can also use the whitelist feature to allow access to only specific sites or apps, while everything else is blocked. Customize these settings to match your productivity goals.
Best practices for success.
For best results, start by blocking your biggest distractions during work or study hours. Gradually adjust your settings as you identify more productivity barriers. Use Cold Turkey's scheduler to automate your focus sessions and avoid manual intervention. Remember, consistency and discipline are key. Combine Cold Turkey with other focus strategies for maximum impact.
Maintaining long-term focus.
Stay motivated by regularly reviewing your progress and tweaking your block lists as needed. Don't be afraid to lock your blocks for important tasks or deadlines. Cold Turkey works best when you commit to using it as part of a broader plan to take back control over your digital habits and achieve your goals.